Get in, turn. There we go. There we go, baby. What's going on, guys? Dylan Rich, SDR Whisperer here, in for volume 4 of Business Golf. So today, no one decided to golf with me besides Jacoby here behind the camera. So in this video, we're gonna do a Can I Break 100? So this is my home course, Bardmore Golf and Tennis Club, 7,200 yards, par 72. It's a tough course, a lot of water, a lot of traps, a lot of trees. So tune in and see if I can break 100. Stay. That'll be all right. 86 yards. Thinned it into the sand. Hot start. Don't you gotta love that when you have like 15 practice swings and you crush every one of them? Then you walk up and you thin the shit out of it. All right, standard bunker shot. Take that. Ah, they're fast. In for the bogey. I'll take it. No warm up. All right, take it left. Have the wind do the rest of it. Hang on. Fairway. There we go. 155. Come on, wind. All right, we're dancing on the green. First green and reg of the day. The end of the putt. Take it a little bit outside on the right. Get there, turn. All right, just hit this in for par, Dylan. A little right edge. Turn. Another bogey. That's a terrible 3-putt. Come on, stay. Stay. On the edge of the green, not bad. I'll take that. It's a par, baby. All right, easy up and down. We'll take that, we needed that par. Oh, that was terrible. It'll play though. That's gotta go. All right, we're on the green. That's gotta go. Oh my God. That was bougie. Get in the hole, get in the hole. Another bogey. Is what it is. I'll take that second putt. Oh, it's gotta sit. Oh God. Was the right club or pin high? Just a little bit, a lot of bit left on me. Sit. 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 Turn, turn. These are close. Another bogey. Oh no. Got lucky. I think I hit off a tree because that was going way more right than what it is here. But we do not have a shot, so I gotta take my medicine. Nice little punch chipper. Just get it out there so I can get up and down. There we go, right in the fairway. We're 250 out after that punch, so just put something in play. Got a hybrid. Try to get at least 50 away from the green. Oh, that went further than I thought. I thought I didn't hit that well. Oh, that's gotta sit. That's gotta sit. That's gotta really sit. All right, one putt for par, right? Get in, turn. There we go. I think the wind helped me a little bit there. I'll take that, baby, par. Ah, felt good. There we go. Snuck it through the tree over there. 128 into the breeze. And I chunked it. Oh my God. Just hit it in for par, Dylan. How does that not go in? Bogey. Oh my God, that was bad. It's playable. Oh, that's not what you wanted. My foot slipped like a muv. Not a good second shot. Got a pretty shitty lie here, but 6-iron in hand. Just trying to get it up there, get up and down for a chance at par. There we go. Get in the hole. Get in the hole. Get in the hole. Oh, that would have been a fucking hell of a birdie right there. Get in the hole again, Jacoby. Bogey, bogey, bogey. Par 4, 3 hours for 9 holes here. Oh, that's not straight. All right. Put a good swing on her. Didn't go where I wanted her to. Let's see if we can chip in here. Oh, I think that'd be all right. It didn't turn at all. All right, bogey. Oh no, sit. Don't go in the bunker. She's in the bunker. That's over. A little bit left. All right, I'll take that. Hit it in, get away with a par. I missed it. All right, another bogey. We got opportunities at par though. That's the main point here. We got par putts. Par 3, 200 yards into probably 10 miles an hour of wind. Let's put a good strike on her and see what happens. We could be dancing. I think I got over the bunker. And I hit it off of the toe. That was terrible. Please stop. Please stop. Oh, Lord. Get out of here. Oh, that's got to sit down. That's got to turn. That's got to turn. It's got to go in the hole. All right, I hit my line. Clean this up. All right, the bogey train continues, but we'll take that for that chip. That was gross. Oh my God, awful, Dylan. All right, not where you want to be. Let's go for the hero shot here. All right, I'll take that. This is for par. We're fighting for bogey here, guys. So a little chip. And I absolutely murdered it. Stay in, get in. Ah! For double bogey here. Oh, that's got to get up. Fighting for par again here, guys. 30 yards. Let's get up and down. Let's get a chip in here, Jacoby. We're a little bit overdue. Take it. It's a simple par putt. Oh. Whew. Fighting. Perfect. A little fat, but it went well. Get up. Get over. There we go. On the green. Not gonna have the easiest putt, but tragic. Hit the green, rolled off the back. A little up and down again. Oh no. There we go, baby. Hole 15, long par 4 here. Let's get a good fucking tee shot, huh? Hold on. Stay on. Oh. Did you see that? It hit off the tree and bounced back into the fairway. So I hit the fairway, hit off that tree right there, bounce into the fairway. So got to make the most of some luck on the golf course. It's better be lucky than good. 185 yards. Well, that'll do pretty nice. Sit down. Bro. No shot. That just went past the green. All right, boys. Well, I pummeled that hybrid there. Rolled all the way through the green to the back of the green. So now I got a sloping away, probably 35, 40 yard chip. So let's hope for the best. Uneven feet. That's not gonna do it. All right, tap it in, go to the next hole. That chip killed me. Hole 16, par 5. And right where I wanted. That'll That'll do. Stick it close, Dylan. All right, we're dancing. First birdie look of the day. Let's make the most out of it. Oh, it hit that bumps. It hit those 2 bumps. Let's tap this in for par. Got 2 holes left. Let's keep it good. Oh, there we go, boys. A little par action. I chunked it, but it's all right. It's out there. Oh, sit. Oh! Just went off the back of the green. Stayed up here. I was lucky. 3rd shot. Just a little chippy. Oh my God. Oh, that's gotta be a sit, 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 sit. Stop. Stop. Let's finish strong here. And I hit it like a girl. Double bogey. Being fucking 15 feet for bird. Hole 18, par 5, straight away. Still using the hybrid because my driver's just not reliable today. And that's not what you want. God damn it. Oh, I had that ball all day. I think I just lost it. Hitting an 8 iron here, try to go over these trees and fight for par. We've been doing all day. And right into the tree. Got a little lucky, hit the palm tree. It rolled out. Let's hope for the best. Caught it fat again. And that's in the bunker. All right, so in the bunker again, 127. No real wind at the pin. It's a little bit breezy, but this is a weird golf shot here. And I smoked it. Oh. Let's go. I didn't feel good, but it looked good. All right, guys, well, I don't see it on the green, and it definitely hit the green. So it either went in the hole, which would be fucking awesome, or it went to the right. I don't know. Is that it? That'll be tragic. Dude, I hit the green. Maybe that's someone else's ball. Another cuck. Just chip this in for par. Oh! I'll take that sand shot all day. All right, boys. Break 90. Hit this in for bogey. A little bit right to left. Whew. Hell of a round. If you watch this far, I appreciate you. You know how hard it is to break 100, and I definitely know how hard it is to break 90. Thank you, Bardmore Golf and Tennis Club. Like and subscribe.